In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line numbering in Google Docs. Whether you're working on legal documents, academic papers, or just want to keep things organized line by line, adding line numbers can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your Google Doc. Once your document is loaded, look at the top menu bar and locate the Tools option. Click on it. This menu is where Google Docs hides many useful features beyond the basic text editing tools. When you click on Tools, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying a variety of commands. Scroll down and find the Line Numbers option in this menu. Select it and you'll observe a change on the right side of your screen. A sidebar will appear here. This sidebar controls all the settings you'll need for line numbering. Within this panel, you'll notice a straightforward option labeled Show Line Numbers. There's a checkbox beside it. Go ahead and tick this box. By doing this, you're enabling line numbers throughout your document, transforming how you interact with it and find information quickly. Now, if you're interested in customizing how these numbers are applied, Google Docs offers a few modes to choose from. This customization can be crucial depending on your document structure or the requirements you're working with. Let's explore these settings a bit further. One option is Continue Throughout Document, which assigns numbers consecutively from beginning to end, flowing seamlessly from the first line to the very last. This option is great for documents that are continuous and need a straightforward numbering system. If your document is divided into distinct pages where each page stands alone, consider the Restart on each page setting. This option resets the numbering at the beginning of each new page, which is particularly handy for multi-page reports or documents. On the other hand, if your document contains sections that should each start with a fresh numbering sequence, the Restart on each section mode is perfect. With this, numbering resets at the beginning of each section break, giving you a clear structure within each part of the document. Once you've set up your document with the desired line numbering, you might wonder how to turn it off if needed. This is as simple as the initial setup. All you have to do is return to the sidebar on the right and uncheck the Show Line Numbers box. Just like that, the numbering will disappear. And there you have it, a thorough guide on how to enable and customize line numbering in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.